Well, I got it so I can open one of my doors. Whew. That wind. I got up on that ladder. Started cleaning that dish off. That fucking wind almost blew me off the ladder. It got about 50 miles an hour. Yeah, there you go. Fuck fight. Good thing I got that one staged right there. Plugged in. We'll be using it a lot tomorrow just to get out of here. I guarantee the roads out here are shut down. They're drifted in. Ain't nobody driving nowhere. I'll have to use the loader to get open, get everybody out. So, all right. Well, that's Colorado snowstorm, Weld County, 2021. First day of spring, forward time zone fucking deal. So, yeah, pot of chili, fridge full of beer. Power's still on. If it goes out, I'll just kick on the back up, hooked up on natural. So, good to go. I'm gonna stay in until I have to clean them dishes again.